One Point Japanese for Beginners Number 2. Hi everyone! Today I would like to teach you how to write basic Japanese hiragana characters number 2. Kakikukeko. Let's begin. So, I showed you this one 50 sounds order last week. So if you don't check out the video, first one is very important, Aiueo line. So I want you to check it out for my video. So today is Kakikukeko second line. Did you see yellow line? So take a look. I told you guys vowel sounds very important in the first video. So and next consonants is K. So consonant and vowel combination. So take a look. Aiueo going to after consonants. So that's why when you speak, your mouth shape have to be aiueo correctly. Okay? So take a look. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So if you not speak vowel sounds correctly after consonants, your sound's not right. Okay? So take a look one by one. Repeat after me. Ka. Focus on the A sound. Let's go to ka. Ka. Good. Next one. Ki. Focus on the E sounds. Ki. Ki. Good. So next one is ku. Ku. U. Focus on the U sound. Ku. Ku. Great. So next is ke. Focus on the vowel a sounds. Let's go to repeat after me. Ke. Ke. Okay? Trying to mouth shape is a sounds. Okay? So next is ko. Focus on the o sounds. Ko. Repeat after me. Ko. Ko. That's good. So let's start writing practice. So one by one. First of all is ka. Round shape, up, diagonal down, up, diagonal down. Okay? So don't start in the middle. Okay? Left side, high, round shape, up, diagonal stop, stop. Then stop. Okay, take a look. You need to space here. Okay, and also one. I continue down, continue down. So stop, stop. Is a skip up. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. So when you write it down, continue like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's go to one more time. Left side. Make sure curve, and then straight down, diagonal, and then up, diagonal down. Okay. So many people prolong here, sometimes too far away, or some people too long like that. It's not good. Okay. Also, don't go like this in the middle. It's not good. Okay. I mean, this is in the middle, right? Okay. Starting left side, up, diagonal down, up, diagonal down. So okay. Follow those steps. Next is ki. Okay. Start diagonal, little bit up. Okay. Next line, same thing. Little bit up, parallel. Okay. So and then another way to diagonal, skip little bit the curve down. Okay, so let's go to one more time. Diagonal up, second one to diagonal up, and then another way diagonal down, skip, and then little bit of curvy down. Okay, so take a look. This is a stop sign. Stop, 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 stop. This is a skip, stop, and skip. Okay, then stop, stop. So when you write down continue, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is a 4-stroke. Okay, take a look one more time. Diagonal up, and then another diagonal up, diagonal down, curvy down. Okay, so you need space here. Okay, this is a curve a little bit. Don't go too much like this. Okay, so when you write it down, 1, 2, 3, 4, continue. Okay, so the last one, take a look one more time. Diagonal up, diagonal up, and diagonal down, skip, continue, boom. Okay, so follow those steps. So next is ku. Diagonal down, stop, and then diagonal down. Okay, take a look one more time. Diagonal down, stop, diagonal down. Okay, so take a look. This is actually in the middle. Okay, starting a little bit right side. So this is stop, stop, stop. So actually this is the same line. Okay, so let's do one more time. Starting in the right side, not the in the middle. Okay, so let's go to right side, then diagonal down, and then diagonal down, stop, stop. So you have to have same line here, make sure. Okay, so one more time. 1, 1. Okay, so this is a 1-stroke. Okay, so make sure stop, stop, stop. So this is a 1, like that. Okay, this is easy. So follow those steps. So next is ke. So starting left side, curve and up, and then straight, up, curve, sweep. Okay, so let's go to one more time. Curve a little bit, up, straight, up, curve down, sweep. Okay, so I want you to take a look. This is a stop, stop, skip up, stop, 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 and this is sweep. Okay, so this is continue. Okay, so I want you going up, this, up, just like that. Okay, so this line have to be same, so trying to write it down for the same line. Okay, and then this line is a little bit longer, this line is a little bit shorter, this line a little bit longer, this line a little bit shorter. Okay, so take a look one more time. Let's go to left side first, curve a little bit, up, okay, then straight, then same line, trying to same line, then sweep. Okay, so let's go to one more time. Curve, stop, up, stop, sweep. So make sure this line trying to same. Not exactly is okay, just trying to same. Okay, and then this is longer, this is shorter, this is longer, this is shorter, this is have a space. Okay, good. So follow those steps. So last one is ko. So little bit of curve, skip, curve. Okay, let's go to one more time. Curve, skip, and then curve, stop. Okay, so take a look. Make sure this is a curve, not too much. Okay, and space is here, and also this is a kind of a little bit longer than first one. Okay, second one a little bit longer, and then this is stop, 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 but this is a continue. Okay, 1, 2. Let's go to one more time. 1, 2. Okay, so make sure round. Some people are done like this, too loud, that's not good. So just little bit of curve, and then again little bit of curve and stop. So follow those steps. Good job. So trying to write each character 5 times a day. Okay, so here is practice sheet, so you can take screenshot and then you can print out if you want. All right, so thanks for watching. See you next writing practice video. Bye for now. 失礼します。